put about 4,000 miles in this motorcycle. This thing moves. You guys what I hate. Okay, the thing that I hate is the saddle. So now, obviously, every motorcycle that you have, there's gonna be things that you're gonna do to make it yours, to make it better for you. And I've done that on this bike. I love everything about this bike, I really do. With the exception of the saddle, and I'm gonna show you real quick what I mean. Just sitting up here, trying to find the best way to show you without showing you, you know, something weird. But if you look up here, like I'm almost sitting in top of the tank. Like I actually feel the tank between my legs right here. Like I'm hugging this tank. So again, I'm way too forward on the motorcycle and I hate that. Like I say, I feel like I'm sitting right on top of the motorcycle. And in fact, for some people, and I know that some people like that. In fact, if you ever take a course or something like that, when you do those really short turns, like little circle, slow maneuver and things like that, typically they recommend you to scoop forward and get in top of the tank because you can turn even tighter. But obviously I don't do that. I'm just a regular rider. And I just hate that I'm almost in top of the tank. I'm gonna show you right here so you can see how it looks. This right here, again, like I'm sitting like right here, and I just don't like that at all. It's definitely uncomfortable, so I'm definitely planning to replace it with the Saddleman Sofa. I believe the one that I had in the other Road Glide, I think you could get one that pushes you back about an inch or so. And again, everything else is kind of subjective. Like for example, I got this bar when I got the motorcycle, and they are great bars, but they are too short for me. I feel like I could go up 2 to 4 inches, but I'm not gonna hit it as much because obviously that came with the motorcycle that was already in place when I got the bike. But you know, that's just an upgrade. That's something that somebody put in there. But the saddle actually comes with the motorcycle, and I gotta tell you, I don't like it at all. I wish I could push a little bit back, and again, I wish I wouldn't be such in top of the tank. But I tell you, I put about 4,000 miles in this motorcycle already. I got it in December. The bike was sitting in the house for about a month while I was doing the 132 kit. So really 4 months I put about 4,000 miles in this bike. I guess an average of 1,000 miles a month or something like that, if you want to put it that way. But I did went to Panama City once, and I went to Alabama once. I have taken this bike a lot, and I love everything about the motorcycle. The limited is great, but that saddle sucks. Just gonna give you a final look right here. So again, my experience on the motorcycle has been wonderful. I love this bike. I don't regret the purchase at all. In general, I think this is a great bike. And in fact, I've seen some prices for some street glides and regular, you know, Road Glide special for about even more for what I paid for this one. To me, it makes no sense. You could get a limited with a trunk and, you know, a couple other things that I'm going to talk about in a different video, and it just does better. But that saddle gotta go. All right, let's go home. Appreciate you guys watching, and as always, God is in control.